OWASP Juice Shop is probably the most modern and secure web application. It can be used for security training, awareness, demos, CTFs, and guinea pig for security tools. It is written in Node.js, Express, and Angular. It was first application written entirely in JavaScript. The application contains a vast number of hacking challenges of varying difficulties where the user is supposed to exploit the underlying vulnerabilities. In this video, I'll introduce OWASP and show you how to set up a safe legal hacking lab using OWASP Juice Shop. Let's get started. Before installing any tools, always update your system. Open the terminal and run sudo apt install update to refresh the package lists. Then next install Node.js. In the terminal, run sudo apt install Node.js. Now install npm. Just run sudo apt install npm. Verify the installation. Run Node.js flag v and npm/v. If both commands return version numbers, Node.js and npm are installed correctly, and you are ready to install OWASP Juice Shop. You can get the source code directly from the official OWASP Juice Shop repository on GitHub. Clone the repo using git. In your terminal, run git clone, then paste the code that you have copied from GitHub repo. Enter the project folder by typing the command cd juice shop. Inside the Juice Shop folder, run npm install. This downloads all required dependencies. Wait until it finishes. Once done, OWASP Juice Shop is ready to run. Now start the application. Run npm start. Once it is running, open your browser and go to your localhost, where you will type http://localhost, the full colon, the port 3000. OWASP Juice Shop is live and ready for testing.